In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make YouTube thumbnails with Canva. Thumbnails are the first impression your video makes, so we'll focus on a clean, bold design that stops the scroll and clearly communicates your topic. Start by opening Canva on the web or in the app. In the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail. This loads a 1280 by 720 canvas, which is the recommended size. You can pick a ready-made template for a quick start or choose a blank canvas for full control. Templates are great for structure, but feel free to swap fonts, colors, and images so the design fits your channel. Next, add your background and images. You can upload your own photos or browse Canva's library. Choose a high-contrast background so your subject and text pop. If the background is busy, try a subtle blur or dark overlay to create separation. Frame your subject off, center to leave room for text, and crop tightly, so the main focus is large and easy to see, even on mobile. Now, use Canva's AI and editing tools to refine the look. If you have the Pro feature, the background remover quickly isolates a person or product so it stands out. With Magic Grab, you can move or resize that subject independently from the background, which is perfect for adjusting composition without starting over. Then add effects. A slight drop shadow, stroke outline, or soft glow on your subject or on key text can create depth and improve readability. Keep effects subtle enough to separate layers without looking harsh. Add text and elements to convey the message at a glance. Keep the title short and bold, think 3 to 5 impactful words. Make the most important word the largest and use high contrast between text and background. Under Elements, add shapes, arrows, or simple icons to direct attention to the subject. Use them sparingly to support the story, not clutter it. Align elements so they feel intentional and balanced. Customize colors and fonts to match your brand or create a vibrant, high-contrast look. Stick to 1 or 2 fonts, often a bold display font paired with a clean sans serif. Aim for strong color contrast, like light text on a dark area, to keep everything readable on small screens. Consistency across thumbnails helps viewers recognize your content instantly. When you are happy, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for crisp graphics or JPG for a smaller file. Keep the file under 2 megabytes and at 1280 by 720. If the size is too large, try JPG or lower the quality slightly. Preview it small to ensure it still reads clearly. Thanks for watching.